Hi guys, while walking going home, we're going to make requirements in PE. Well, silent hike. Okay, let's go. I saw a type of white flower I did not recognize. It had delicate purple petals and grew in a cluster near a small stream, which was interesting to observe from a distance. The smells were a mix of familiar and unfamiliar scents. I recognized the earthly smell of damp soil and the slightly sweet aroma of pine needles from the nearby trees. However, there was also a subtle and familiar scent that I couldn't quite place, perhaps a specific type of white flower or a unique combination of scents from the surrounding vegetation. The sounds were mostly familiar, like the chirping of birds and the rustling of leaves in the breeze. However, I also heard a new sound, a low humming that seemed to come from the distance. I couldn't identify its source, but it added to the overall peaceful atmosphere of the walk. During my silent hike, I observed a variety of things. In terms of smell, I detected the precious scent of pine needles and damp earth, and a faint sweetness from white flowers. No, I likely would not have been able to notice as many details if I had been making noise. My own sound would have masked the quieter sound of nature, such as the gentle stream or the subtle rustling of leaves. The focus on visual details would also have been affected. The concentration required for quiet observation would have been broken. The overall experience would have been less peaceful and less conducive to noticing the fine details of the natural environment. Staying silent during outdoor activities allows for a deeper connection with nature. It enhances our ability to observe the subtle details of the environment both visually and aurally. Silence allows us to appreciate the quieter aspects of nature that are easily missed when there is noise. Moreover, it promotes a sense of peace and tranquility, fostering a more mindful and respectful approach to the natural world. It also minimizes disturbance and wildlife, allowing animals to behave naturally without being startled or driven away.